Hello guys, Sat Shri Akal. This is Himani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, you guys must have read the title by now. This will be my birthday vlog. As such guys, मैंने birthday पे कुछ vlogging नहीं करी थी, but I have few clips. I will attach it and you guys can see and have a look how I celebrated my birthday, and in the end I will be showing what all I got on this birthday, and there are few little surprises here and there, very special things which happened. So if you want to see, please keep watching. So guys, my birthday was on 31st July. I know ये vlog बहुत late आया, I'm sorry for that. So on 30th July रात को around 11 PM, yeah, my mom and dad came and surprised me. In this lockdown मुझे बिल्कुल भी hint नहीं था कि वो लोग आने वाले हैं, and it was a beautiful surprise. So उसी दिन two of our friends also came home and they got a big cake. उन्होंने घर पे bake किया था cake and they got it for me. It was so special. Thank you so much Ankita and Achal. Then हमने केक कट किया and then the next day, obviously next day was working, so we all were working and mom dad भी चले गए थे. Then in the night, it was a Friday night, so our friends came over and then again with a beautiful surprise. Thank you so much. I want to mention here, it was such a special and emotional surprise. I know Achal, it was very difficult to reach out to everybody and get those videos. Thank you everybody who was there in the video and who was not. All for all your wishes and love. It means a lot to me. It was very special.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Himani. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Himani. Happy birthday to you. wish you a very happy birthday, my dear Himani. You are the best person with whom I met in my life. You are a true friend, you are a true companion, and you are like a younger sister for me. I love you a lot. You are such kind person that the person who do bad with you, you also think good about those person. That's the unique quality you have. May you achieve success and happiness in your life. Love you.
I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
चलो मिलते हैं बहना प्यारी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
रीजन बिंग मैं आज शूट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि तेरे हर एक बर्थडे पे बारिश आती है, तो लेट्स सी आज क्या होता है। मौसम ऐसा है, सो देखते हैं और चलते हैं कहीं ट्रिप पे जल्दी। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे मैन, विश यू ऑल द सक्सेस एंड गुड हेल्थ इन योर लाइफ। आई विश कि तेरा यूट्यूब चैनल हिट हो जाए और हम सारे एक मिलके ब्लॉग बनाएं। बाय बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Himani.
हैप्पी बर्थडे हिमानी।
Wish you a many happy returns of the day. भाई मैं तेरी तरह क्रिएटिव तो नहीं हूँ बट मैंने ट्राई किया है। I hope you will like it. May God bless you with all the happiness.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन।
Hi
Hi,
Himani.
Himani.
Wishing
Wishing
you
you
a very happy birthday.
Have a great year ahead. Enjoy, have a blast. और हमारी पार्टी ड्यू है, ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Hi Himi, you are my favorite and you will be always be my favorite forever, and many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and give you all the happiness what you want, और जल्दी से दुबई आ जाओ मुझसे मिलने।
Hello Himan Singh, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday in this quarantine. May your all desires fulfill this year. Lots of love and wishes. Mwah.
Hey, happy birthday Himani. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes guys, so that's how I celebrated my birthday. Short and sweet. Also I wanted to tell you guys that there was one special wish from someone very special. very close to my heart. You know, she's my inspiration, she's my strength, my forever love. Yeah, she's Sushmita Sen. It means a lot to me, guys. Not coming from anybody else but Sushmita Sen. So I won't lie, मैं हर साल उनके wish का wait करती हूँ. और it's not the first time that she wished me. In the past years we have exchanged few messages, and this feeling that she knows me, that she knows a person called Himani exists in this world, this feeling is so special. I mean, I cannot express this in words, but I love you so much. Thank you for the wish, you made my day. It was 11:30 in the night, and birthday almost khatam hone wala tha. I lost all the hopes that I will get a wish, but then a notification popped up. Oh, here she was. I was on cloud 9. Matlab, I was jumping. Look, I was jumping here and there. And then I was like, she wished. I was like, yeah. Okay, moving forward, I will show you guys what all I got. So let's start with the first thing. Gift. Actually, the first gift I received before 15 days of my birthday was this. And that's a tripod. So thank you, Upasna. She sent me this all the way from Lucknow. And obviously this is special because this will help me in my YouTube journey. My tripod already kharab ho raha tha. Thank you so much. She also sent me these cute 4 baby Buddhas. I will insert a picture here. Thank you so much. And then I got this, a foundation and a concealer. The 2 things I wanted since long. Thank you so much, Rashi. She sent me this from Agra. Obviously lockdown mein sab alag-alag jagah par hain, and thank you guys. You made it really special. Then I asked for this eyeshadow palette. Thank you, mommy. So I wanted contact lenses since long. Gaurav got me these O-lens contact lenses in the shade Sky Grey. So as you guys know that I'm obsessed with fragrances. So Gaurav gifted me a lot of travel size perfume bottles. I'm in love with it. Moving forward, my friend gave me this, a beautiful neck piece. This is so pretty. Thank you so much, Ankit and Achal, for this. And last but not the least, a beautiful gift. I will insert the picture here because lockdown hai, abhi mere paas hard copy nahi hai. I have just got the soft copy. This is a beautiful sketch, guys. I will insert the original pic as well. This is so special. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to every one of you for making it so special. I also want to thank my entire family, to make it special. So I shall see you in my next video. Till then, Sat Sri Akal. Bye bye.